All right, good morning, gang. August 18th, tradingology.com's trading room. And we have the market is not happy this morning. We'll get the doors opened up here, get you guys in here. Good morning, Dave. Looks like I'm seeing you already.
Good morning, guys.
We have another epic installing updates, not letting Thinkorswim work today.
Yeah, unbelievable. 2 days in a row. And it happens to be when the market becomes volatile that they shut down.
Yeah, I just pulled up the Wall Street Journal here. It's like, oh yeah, we got a little sell-off happening here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I don't know what Thinkorswim is doing, but TD needs to get on top of that.
Steve,
And yesterday I did finally access the TOS paper trade, but none of the internals were working.
yeah, my paper trade actually opened this morning and then it locked up again. So I was able to actually look at my VXX chart to help me close it out. And I saw I hit my nice profit target. So once again, thank you for that strategy.
Absolutely.
And for those that are curious, I know I'm getting some emails. We are doing the transition. Yes, we have to register on the new site. And we're about halfway through. So good job, guys, for those that have already signed up. Let's get that moved as quick as we possibly can, and we'll be good to go.
Yes, Stephen, I did get a haircut. Much shorter than I normally get it cut, but yes.
Good morning, Andre. It's high and tight now for the summer.
Yeah. Starting to look like
That's why I wear a hat.
well, I'm trying to keep that resistance down, when I'm out jogging or something.
That's funny. Let's see what else we got cooking here. Just a small little pause in the crypto market, it looks like, which is healthy. We can't have it go straight up like an arrow.
Well, if you bring up the spreadsheet, market timer spreadsheet, you made a note in it last night that we've gotten some in the pipeline. We got a little bit of red in the pipeline.
Yeah, a little warning symbol went off there, didn't it?
It did, and so we saw some volatility in the market this morning when we opened up, and we kind of sold off right at the open because we had that third column of the pipeline go to 100%. So yeah,
that was noted right there in the notes. Pipeline early warning: we may have rough waters ahead.
Yeah, so you guys got to pay attention to that. Download that, take a look at it every night or early morning before you start trading, just to get a sense of what might happen at the open. If there is a little bit of volatility coming in, the pipeline will pick it up early.
And notice what's happened the last couple of days here. The swing signal has went to neutral, then it moved it down. That was called out Friday, where the swing signal, and also now if you look at the buy-sell signal, which is updated at the minimum once a week, it started to make a little downturn at that 10 spot where we've seen it do that a few times now. So that was another potential clue as to what was coming up.
Absolutely. All right, so let's get into, we have a little bit of, it's not a formal kind of presentation today, but Stephen, yes, the spreadsheet is up to date on the, it's still on the
Yep, same place as always.
Strong Market portal, right?
Yes.
Yes. So
I'm helping Dave with his administration, so.
Yeah, and I appreciate that.
So yeah, Stephen, that spreadsheet has never changed. Same spot. You still download it in your portal account.
Absolutely.
We wait till some of the numbers suss out with some of the volatility. It takes even the market quite a while to report in all those internal numbers. So it's not going to be updated right at the close. It'll be updated later in the evening, sometimes 5, 6, by the time they get all their numbers calculated. So look for it there.
Right. Yeah. You want to try to get the most updated numbers, especially after kind of a volatile day. Yeah, it should be interesting. Let's see. We'll see what the numbers look like tomorrow. So yeah.
Oh, gold's back up over 2,000.
Yeah, gold was up. Silver was up. Actually, it was up a lot more earlier, along with stocks, and then it sold off when the market open.
So as Dave was starting to move to it, not a formal thing, but we got a little treat for you guys today, which kind of is good timing with Toss being persnickety right now.
Yeah.
To say the least.
To say the least. So this is like, it's kind of funny because I've been trading NADEX for a while. Anybody use NADEX? You guys use NADEX at all? Binary options. Yeah. Neither did I, really seriously. I mean, I played around with it, and I've used it basically as a directional tool. And so this is where like the spreadsheet comes in very, very important, because you want to get a sense of where the market is as far as volatility goes, and see, you know, which direction the herding is going into. You want to see what the pipeline looks like, and just kind of get an overall sense if we're going to see a decline or not in the market. Well, I was using NADEX, playing around with it. I wasn't terribly serious about it. One of the reasons for it is that you really don't have an unlimited opportunity to make a profit. You only have you have a limited profit, but you also have the benefit is that you can't lose a lot of money. So, for example, if you go long or short a contract and you go the wrong way, what happens is the contracts are set at $100 payout. That's per contract. So if you have one contract and you buy it for $50, the maximum that you can make on that is $50. If you buy it for $40, the maximum you can make it on it is $60. If you buy it for $60, the maximum you can make it is $40. So it's a $100 maximum payout on each contract. Well, if you want to, I'll share my screen.
Ready to trade? I'm ready when you are.
Yeah, let me just log in here first.
I made you a co-host, so it's ready when you are.
Now, and I played around with it, and I actually wrote an article about NADEX on Quora. I don't know if you guys saw that a few years ago. It was a couple of years ago, and I said basically it's not a scam. It's really they are actually one of the very few platforms to do binary options that are actually legitimate, and they are regulated by the CFTC. So they are legitimate, at least for users in the U.S. I don't know how they treat anyone else outside the U.S. as far as setting up an account or anything like that. I think it's very, very similar to the way CFDs are done in Europe and the UK. I can't remember what CFD stands for. Anybody know? Maybe you could look it up real quick.
Contract for difference? That's the most popular term.
Yeah, contract for difference. That's it. Yeah.
I have the link to your Quora discussion in the chat.
Oh, good. Yeah.
You just have to scroll down about halfway. You see your comments back from 2016.
Yes. So it was a few years ago that I did that.
All right, guys, I appreciate it. Dave, you're awesome as always.
Yeah, my pleasure.
Let's cross our fingers for internals for tomorrow. Come on, Thinkorswim, get it done.
I know. Come on, Chiefs. What the heck? Get on the ball, guys.
Right.
Any questions before we wrap up here? I know Dan has generously gone overtime here, so just any quick questions before you go, and then we'll wrap it up for the day. Oh, so I think I started talking about crypto. You started talking about cryptocurrencies. I said, yeah, well, the market internals, the pipeline was starting to turn red, so it's not a surprise that we see a little pullback in crypto too.
Yeah, it looks like the markets are starting to recover a little bit. Crypto's back up, XRP's back up over 30. So
yeah,
there you
they're
go.
going to recover. We are in a bull market in cryptocurrencies and commodities. So,
absolutely.
Isaac, my pleasure. All right, guys, no problem. All right, see you, Dan. Have a great day,
guys. Take it easy.